Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to see about partial views in .NET 6 MVC. Let's see the agenda for this session. In this session, we are going to see what is partial view, why partial view is needed, how partial view differs from normal view, and real-time code implementation of partial views. Let's start. First of all, what is partial view? In partial view, we can render a portion of a view. That is, we can create a reusable isolated component and we can render it inside multiple views so that code duplication can be avoided. So partial view differs from normal view. We need to create the partial view inside our shared folder. Let's open the same Visual Studio events which we used in our last session. Here, assume we already have employee repository, but now we assume one use case. Customer told that we need to display the employee statistics. How many male employees there? How many female employees there? The statistics we need to display in multiple screens. So we need to avoid code duplication. For that, we can create one partial view and display the employee statistics, and we can render it in multiple ways. Let's see how to do it. First, create employee model. We can create one more class, that is statistics. One is for male count and one is for female count. Okay. Now we need to build an entity object, then we need to pass it to partial view. How to do that? We can go to repository. In our repository, we have this number of methods. Now we are going to create one more method, that is statistics. Method returns statistics, and we will just get statistics. Okay, let's build the solution, and it will throw error because we implemented repository button in this class. Employee repository class, we inherited our interface. So we need to our newly created click on show button suffix will create a new method for us. In this method, we need to return employee statistics equal to the first of all. We can get the all employee details. We already have method for that. Then we can get female count. Let's use the link that lambda expression equal to male. Duplicate the same code for female count also. We can return the record details. We call this method, we can get this statistics, and we need to display it in a partial view. How to do that? Our MVC project. Fields folder, we have shared folder. It is better to create the partial views inside the shared folder, because if we create inside employee folder, then we render the inside the employee related views, then it will work. But if we render it inside another view, it will not work. So it is better to use it add folder. Create one folder. We can name it anything and showing reusable. Add view, view. We can name it as anything. I'm providing a statistics. That's we are going to use this class. For that, first we need to import this namespace. And we can use that model. We already know about this model mapping. We already learned these things in our previous session. If you have any doubts, you can refer the previous videos. We can display it as a we need to display female count. Okay. Now we created the partial view successfully. Now we need to render this partial view wherever they occurred. I'm going to render this first inside listing screen. Listing screen is index.cshtml. For index.cshtml, we render, we need to pass the model statistic. That statistics model we need to pass. Where it comes, we need to go to employee controller. While calling this index view, we need to pass it. We are already passing this model. We modify that model. It is a time consuming process, so I am going to pass it as a viewer. That's not displayed here. I think we forgot to build the solution. That is get statistic. It comes. Now we need to render our partial view. Text.cshtml. To employee text.html. We can do it using at await HTML or CLSing. First we need to pass the view name, then we need to pass the model. Model we know. Model is inside view bag, but it will not accept to typecast it. Typecast statistics. Then we provide the partial view main. Partial view is reusable stats. That's it. Let's run the application. Click on employee management. Scroll down. See success. Male employee count is 9. Female employee count is 1. So only female employee. All other than male employees. So we successfully rendered partial view inside our index section. But purpose of the partial view is rendering it into multiple views. So let's render it in another view also. That is, we already have create employee.csv string, so we can render partial view there also. Copy this, paste it here. But we need to set the view back that action method also, else it will not work. Go to the control, copy this code and paste it this method also. Let's run the application. Click on employee management. Here we are displaying the data using partial view. And create new employee. Here also we are displaying statistics using our partial view. So this success. But there is one thing. Each and every time, whenever we binding that partial view, binding the partial view, we need to pass the model. So always partial view depends on the parent view. That parent view should pass the model to that view. This is the most possible constraint. We need to avoid it. So how to avoid it? To avoid this situation, Microsoft provided a new feature called view components. So in our next session, we can see about view components. Thanks for watching.